Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about Webull versus ThinkStorm, which is the best trading platform. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or a seasoned trader looking for advanced tools, choosing the right platform can make a huge difference in your trading experience. In this video, we're comparing Webull and ThinkStorm by Charles Schwab, two of the most talked about platforms in the United States. Let's break them down in detail so you can decide which one fits your style. First of all, we have Webull. Webull has quickly become a favorite for mobile-first traders, thanks to its intuitive interface, fast setup, and zero commissions. Its key strengths are commission-free trading across stocks, ETFs, options, and even crypto. No extra fees for placing trades, making it great for frequent and small investors. Its mobile and desktop apps are sleek, modern, and very easy to navigate. If you're just starting out, you'll likely feel more at home here than on more complex platforms. Account setup is quick and paperless, with approval often in hours. You'll also get extended hours trading, including pre-market and after hours. A big plus if you want flexibility. Charting tools are solid, especially for most retail traders. You get drawing tools, multiple time frames, and popular indicators like MACD, RSI, and moving averages. But here's what Webull lacks. You cannot trade mutual funds or bonds, which might be a deal breaker for long-term diversified investors. It also lacks advanced backtesting tools, so if you want to test automated strategies or run simulations, Webull won't cut it. Compared to Thinkorswim, it has fewer technical indicators, and customization is fairly limited. The educational content is basic, suitable for quick overviews, but not deep enough for serious learning. So the bottom line is, it's a solid, simple platform for modern investors who want commission-free access to stocks, options, and crypto, all in clean mobile application. Now, let's talk about Thinkorswim. Now, under Charles Schwab, since the TD Ameritrade merger, Thinkorswim is often considered the gold standard for advanced traders who want deep analysis, complex strategies, and professional-grade tools, all free with a Schwab account. Here's what makes it stand out. Advanced charting with 400 plus technical indicators, dozens of chart types, and full layout customization. You can trade a wide variety of assets, stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, and mutual funds, all from the same interface. Tools like paper trading, market replay, and thinkScript allow for creating, testing, and deploying your own trading strategies. It includes real-time scanners, earning analysis, volatility studies, and tons of professional research. It's 100% free if you have a Schwab account. Stocks and ETFs are commission-free and options are low cost. But it's not for everyone. The interface is complex. If you're a beginner, it can feel overwhelming at first. While the desktop version is incredible, the mobile app isn't as slick or user-friendly as Webull's. You also cannot trade crypto directly, only through ETFs or futures, which isn't ideal if you're looking for true digital asset exposure. So the bottom line is, it's ideal for experienced traders who want powerful tools, multi-asset access, and full control over their trading strategy. Now let's compare both of them side by side. First of all, we'll talk about fees. Webull is 100% commission-free for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. Thinkorswim is commission-free for stocks, ETFs, small fees on options, futures, everything else is free with a Schwab account. So the winner for simple, all-inclusive, zero-fee trading is Webull, and winner for variety and no hidden platform fees is Thinkorswim. Let's talk about charting and analysis tool. Webull is great for basic to intermediate traders. Clean charts, but fewer indicators. Thinkorswim is insanely powerful, over 400 indicators, custom scripting, and backtesting. So the winner for pros and deep analysis is Thinkorswim. Let's talk about user experience. Webull is smooth, fast, and very mobile friendly. Thinkorswim is desktop first, robust but complex. Mobile is functional but dated. Winner for mobile simplicity is Webull. Let's talk about asset variety. Webull has stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, no mutual funds or bonds. Thinkorswim has stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, mutual funds, but no real crypto. So, winner for crypto access is Webull, and winner for traditional and pro markets is Thinkorswim. Let's talk about learning and research. Webull offers some tutorials and market news, but it's surface level. Thinkorswim is full research suite, screeners, courses, and strategy building. So, winner for educational and research is Thinkorswim. So the final verdict is, choose Webull if you're a beginner who wants quick, easy access to investing. You want crypto trading alongside stocks and ETFs. You'll have a clean mobile-first experience with zero commissions. Choose Thinkorswim if you're an advanced trader needing professional tools and deep customization, and you want to trade futures, forex, and mutual funds, and you're also planning to build and test strategies with tools like paper trading or thinkScript. So, Webull is equal to modern simplicity, mobile power, and crypto access. Thinkorswim is equal to hardcore analysis, pro tools, and asset variety. No matter which you pick, the most important thing is that it matches your goals and trading style. Both platforms are free to try, so you can test them out, see what works for you, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.